Available for sale is this show-quality 1965 Nova Custom with comprehensive restoration work and extensive modifications. The exterior is finished in a beautiful metallic blue, powered by a 383 cubic inch stroker V8 small block engine backed by a new Turbo 350 built by TCI and a new 10-volt 373 positraction rear end. It can get up and go with the best of them. The engine's equipped with a Holley Sniper Fuel Injection setup, Edelbrock intake manifold, Edelbrock E-Street aluminum cylinder heads, Edelbrock aluminum valve covers, chrome alternator, billet aluminum pulleys, aluminum radiator with dual fans, chrome oil and transmission pans, as well as custom ceramic coated headers and dual exhaust. Combining all those elements gives you the power, the finish, and the beautiful look that you want cruising the streets in this custom ride. The suspension and ride comfort were not forgotten as a complete Heidts Superide II independent front suspension was added, including a 3-piece crossmember, Mustang II stock spindles, tubular upper and lower control arms, a front-mounted manual rack and pinion handles the steering duties, as well as single adjustable coilover shocks with silver powder-coated springs. The front and rear end are both equipped with RideTech air suspension, and RUFF Racing R281 chrome wheels give this Nova a complete modern look. Climb inside and enjoy the comfort of the custom TMI interior. Beautiful two-tone bucket seats, rear bench and console add a modern luxury to this classic. The dash still retains its original shape while housing all new Dakota Digital Series 3 instrumentation. You won't have any problems viewing them with their blue fluorescent display. The center console was custom fitted with the shifter, Holley Sniper control panel, and Air Ride Technologies control box. An IDITA tilt steering column is topped with a Grant steering wheel. New painless wiring harness throughout, LED lighting and carpet complete the show-quality interior of this car. A new full-size Chevy EFI powder-coated fuel tank was installed to ensure you can cruise the streets for miles without needing to stop for fuel. Do you enjoy cruising with several friends on the weekend? Or maybe pulling into the local cruise night? Then this Nova's for you. Guaranteed it will bring a lot of attention and even take home a trophy or two. Don't miss out on this custom Nova, as it won't last long. Contact LRA Auto Sales at 215-781-3790 or email sales@lrasales.com.